Hey, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the Melnor XT Turbo Oscillating Sprinkler. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know our final verdict if the Melnor XT Turbo Oscillating Sprinkler is worth it. Melnor XT Turbo Oscillating Sprinkler Overview. Are you struggling to water your expansive lawn? Then the Melnor XT Turbo Oscillating Sprinkler offers you the coverage that you need, given its capability to water up to 4,200 square feet. Enhancing its functionality is the incorporated large volume tube that can contain a considerable amount of water and facilitates consistency when sprinkling. The design of the sprinkler minimizes clogs, and with the built-in flow control feature, all you need to do is set up your sprinkler to start working as you focus on other equally important matters. The oscillating sprinkler features a robust build as the ABS plastic material is resistant to rust, among other external agents, such as insects, that would compromise its structural integrity, and with time, the sprinkler's functional integrity. Talking of robust, the unit has incorporated a turbo drive motor meant to enhance the unit's overall shelf life. The configuration of the sprinkler allows it to be customized to suit the immediate environment, and you can therefore adjust the sprinkler's length and width. What we like: the sprinkler is durably built, discourages the formation of clogs, covers a wide area, equipped with a durable turbo drive motor. Coverage range and width can be adjusted. What we didn't like: the sprinkler needs extra careful handling, must not be exposed to too much sun. Melnor XT Turbo Oscillating Sprinkler Specifications. From the table above, you can tell that the Melnor XT Turbo Oscillating Sprinkler is a reliable unit, best utilized by individuals who want to water their huge gardens or lawns. Melnor XT Turbo Oscillation features: 3-way water adjustment. For as much as you might want to water your garden or lawn consistently, chances of wasting are high, mainly because of the water that sprinkles over to the pavement. Water wastage is, however, never a welcome idea. The reason why the Melnor XT Turbo Oscillator has been configured to enable control in 3 different ways. Once installed, the sprinkler offers up to 3 dimensions of adjustability. The first dimension is in the sprinkler's range adjustment, and lawn owners are at liberty to change the length of the pattern. The second dimension is the twin touch width adjustment that allows one to control the width within which the sprinkler will water. The third dimension is the zoom control. Under this option, lawn owners will be able to change the flow of water, consequently adjusting the size of the coverage pattern. 18 precision rubber nozzles. The Melnor XT Turbo Oscillator has incorporated up to 18 precision rubber nozzles that have been configured to enable even watering. The unit has additionally incorporated intuitive tabs used to control the range of watering pattern. What's more is that the incorporated twin touch adjusters help with controlling the width to allow watering of a narrow area or a large lawn. Infinity Drive Motor. The sprinkler has been equipped with the Infinity Drive Turbo Motor, designed to run smoothly without causing destructive puddling. Verdict: should you get the Melnor XT Turbo Oscillating Sprinkler? Yes, you should get this sprinkler because it can be used to water both the big and small lawns thanks to its 3-way water adjustment option. The spray coverage is also impressive, given that the distance covered by the sprinkler varies by pressure. What's more is that the configuration of the sprinkler allows precise watering, thus, water is not wasted on the driveway or the sidewalks. Who is the Melnor XT Turbo Oscillating Sprinkler best suited for? This oscillating sprinkler is best suited for use by individuals who own expansive lawns and gardens, given that it can cover up to 4,200 square feet. Are there any alternatives? Yes, there are alternatives to the Melnor XT Turbo Oscillating Sprinkler, which are the Melnor XT 4110, which offers 2-way adjustability, and the Melnor XT 4200, which offers 3-way adjustability. Both sprinklers offer the same coverage as the Melnor XT Turbo Sprinkler. They're all made of robust ABS plastic material and have been configured to cover the extra large areas. Do you own a Melnor XT Turbo Oscillating Sprinkler? Let us know what your experience with it has been in the comments. Click the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.